Are you having trouble with QR codes on your iPhone? If your QR code isn't scanning or working properly, don't worry. Here, I will show you some quick tricks to fix the QR code scanning issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Often a simple restart can solve your minor software glitches. So try out with restart and see what happens. Solution 2. Enable or disable the scan QR code on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Camera. Now first, you need to toggle on Scan QR code. If these are already enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Solution 4. Try a different QR code scanner app. If the built-in camera app is not working properly, you can try using a different QR code scanner app from the App Store. There are various free options available that may provide better scanning performances. Now, if you still have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.